In this video, we're going to explore how to use the Vlookup and if statement together in Excel. So we have here a simple scenario. I have a fruit that I selected. I have a quantity, let's say, of 10. And once I select that specific quantity, I would either get, if I have 10 or more, a discount, or if I have below 10, I should have no discount. So let's start to look how we can use these two together. So what I'm going to do here, first of all, is use the Vlookup, because what I want to do here is to get the row number with the details. So I'm going to say here Vlookup. I'm going to click here on the function or formula builder, and then we have a visual. So we have here the lookup value. So we can select here the value. In this case, it is melon. Then we have here the table array, which is basically the table we're going to select the data from. So once we have that, and we have here the column index number, which is index 1, index 2, and column index number 3. In our case, because we have 10, a quantity of 10, we should get the value from column index number 3 to get the discount specified. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to say range lookup will be false because I want an exact match. Click done. Let's close that. And then we see that here. So as you can see here, we get a 10% discount. But if I do here 1, I don't get the discount, or I should not get a discount. So the way how we need to do this then would be to change this column from 3 to number 2, because it's no more the right quantity. However, this is a manual work that doesn't make any sense. We can systemize that with a simple if statement. So that's why the if statement allows us to select one or the other, so we can move the columns as we go. Or we can move the value to select column 2 or 3. So we're going to say here if, and we can click here again on the formula builder. We're going to get the logical test, which is basically the quantity here. We're going to say if the quantity the customer bought is smaller than the required quantity for the discount, which is 10. So if it's smaller than 10, if that is the case, I want to have the value from column number 2. Else, I want to have the column from number 3. Let's confirm this, saying done. And once I did that, you can see here now, this is column number 2. But if I say 10, column 3, if I say 5, column 2. So it recognizes this. Now, let's fix that here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to grab the entire function here, or the formula. Let's copy that all, the if statement. And then we're going to click here on the formula builder again. And this item here, which we just adjusted manually, will be now automatic by pasting in the if statement. Make sure you see this equal sign, remove the equal sign, click on done, and then we can test this if it works. So right now we put it on 10 and we get a 10% discount, which is correct. If I put it on 4, we get no discount at all. If I change this to an apple, enter, we get 4, no discount. But if I say 15, we get a 5% discount for the apples, which is correct. And that's it.